Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the best order grabbing website. So link in the description, click on it. First of all, enter your username, enter your mobile number, and create password, confirm password, enter the invitation code, link in the description. After filling all the details, click on register. So wait, let me register. So after signing into a website, here you can see this type of important notice from the company. 8% rebate per day for team agent, 8% level of commission, and daily reward 8%, and you can read it carefully before investing. After scrolling down, here you can see this type of interface from the company Newegg. After that, I click on company profile. Here you can read it, company profile Newegg. Founded the year of 2000, founder Fred Chang, Los Angeles, USA. E-commerce IPO listing date 20 May 2020, listed on Nasdaq Combination Investor stock code NG, and the pioneer established in two by Chinese entrepreneur Fred Chang, headquartered in Los Angeles, USA. Symbolized new file and top management team, company profile, and all about the details. Here you can see this. This is a promotion reward. Here you can see about the company production of agent, what this agent. Here you can see this whole type of this, and this is the beginner invitation section. Here you can see invite, save the QR code, share with friend to save QR code. This is the copy link section, and copy, refer, and earn. If one of your friend or family register with the link, you will earn some reward. So start sharing today and earning today. Share with the friends or family and earn this. So this is the best website of data, so you can save and copy this. This is the VIP event. Here you can see the VIP events of the company. Here you can see newcomers for recharge bonus, invitation, friend rewards, agent daily, and new again, and this. So after that, here you can see VIP business all VIP one, and this is the order section. Here you can see the order section. This is the grab section. Here you can see this is the online customer service section. If you have any queries related to this, you can contact customer service and telegram and channel. And this, I click on my section. Here you can see the available balance, this financial income, this mutual account fund is this, and here you can see personal info, funding details, this recharge record, friend invitation, and this help, and you can get this. Now I click on recharge section. Here you can see you can recharge and get the commission, so you can top up according to your preference. You can top up, and 5% top up is this 110, and you can copy this link. And so now I will tell you how to my balance is this. Click on VIP 1 level. Total commission I generated $33 platform data, this yesterday orders, and this achievement order, and this you can grab it. Achievements today, you can see this users order exceeded, so here you can see this. So wait for the sections. Wait. So now I click on this VIP one. So here you can see my yesterday order is 45 and today is 8 total generated this. Now I start grabbing. So I all over collect 45 USDT dollar. So wait, I click on submit and grab today's order 1. I am grabbing 2. Click on this. Here you can see side by side 2 orders commission today, and wait, I click on submit. I click on this. So 3 order is completed. Now 4 order is completed. Now I click on this. I click on submit, grabbing. It's 26 6 order is completed. Click on submit. Here you can see 7 order is generated. Commission 0.42.1. Click on submit. Again I click on grab. 8 order is completed. Click on submit. 9 order is completed. I click on submit. Click on submit. So wait. So I click on this. Here you can see 21 order is completed. Today's income is generated. And let's keep on grabbing. I click on submit. Again I click this. 22 order is completed. Click on submit. I click on grabbing. So I click on submit. Click on grabbing. Click on grabbing. Now click on grabbing. Here you can see order 2 days and commission. Click on submit. I again click on grabbing. So wait, again I click on grabbing. Again I click on grabbing and click on submit. Again I click on grabbing. Again click on grabbing. 42 is. Again I click on this. Again 42. I click on this. Here you can see 44 is done. Commission. Last 45 is done. So I do all this today's, and today's commission is 3. My total platform commission. Now I go to this. Now I will show you my balance is 105.984. I click on withdraw. Okay, withdrawal amount 5. Okay, 5, and I enter the password and click on confirm. So this withdrawal is done. I will show you the withdrawal unconfirmed. So here you can see. So here you can see this unconfirmed. So wait for the confirmation. So here you can see I received the amount 6 USDT, and this you can in my wallet. So that's all about the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.